John. Thanks so much for joining us for another episode of Power Apps in a Snap. So, just to remind you, just in case you're joining us for the first time, this is a quick dummy-style tutorial to learn how to make a Power App within Microsoft Power Apps. So, low-code, no-code apps, and I've got my colleague and expert John here teaching me, and I am the dummy. So, hey, John, how's it going?
It's going great.
Good. All right. So we've been building an app to learn how, or building an app to book an office space for just in case you work in an organization that has multiple offices and you're working hybrid. So this is always something that you can transfer and do, take a different theory. It doesn't have to be an office scheduling app, but different options of what you can do with Power Apps. Really, the possibilities are endless. So I've been seeing that with John. I've been seeing how easy it is. And also, we're doing this with under 10 minutes for each episode. So I'm learning how to create screens and navigate through them in under 10 minutes. It really is remarkable on how easy it is. So, should we just dive right in, John?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. Let's start our clocks and get started.
All right. So today we're gonna do, some polishing of the app. So if you can just go to screen 1.
Okay.
And you see where it says the good morning?
Yes.
You're gonna click that because, you never know when someone's gonna be using this app, if it's gonna be morning, night, evening. So we're gonna make this, tell you if you're gonna open this app and it's at night, it's gonna say good night and it's gonna say your name. So yeah, we're gonna do some really cool stuff. So right there where it says good morning, we're gonna delete that and we're gonna start writing other things.
Delete that totally?
Yeah, totally.
Okay. What am I writing?
Click on the top one. On the top one.
Top one what? Oh, up here.
Yeah, up there.
Okay.
Yeah. Just delete that.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna start with an if statement. So you write if and open parentheses.
Okay.
And you're gonna write time value. Time value, that one. Now. Just write now.
Oh.
Open and close parentheses. Close another one. And then you're gonna do the greater than sign. Equal sign. Time. Open parentheses. 18, comma 00, comma 00. And close parentheses. So that first part is if time value now, which is the time right now, is greater than or equal to 6 in the afternoon, right? That's basically what that translates to. Now you're gonna write and, just and, A-N-D. Yeah, that one. Time value. You can give it a space between the two, yeah.
Okay.
Time value, open parentheses. Now. Open and close parentheses. And close another parentheses.
Okay.
The lesser than sign.
Lesser than equal?
No, just lesser than.
Oh, just kidding.
Time. Open parentheses. Then 23, comma 59, comma 59. Close parentheses. comma. So that right there is if time, whenever I open this, is greater than 6 in the afternoon or and smaller than 11:59, right? So if it's between those two, you're gonna give me a good night. So you just go the quotation marks,
Okay.
good night. Just write good night.
Good evening.
Or yeah. And then after that good night, before you close the quotation marks, you put a comma and a space. Because we're gonna
Okay.
leave some space for our name. Because we're also doing it so it tells us who we are, right?
Okay.
So another comma now after the quotation marks. And you can jump to the next line, right? So give it an enter so we can go to the next line. So it looks good. And you can also open the entire thing. So on your right, it has uh, an arrow to, yeah, that one. Just so it expands, we can see it better. So now we're gonna do another if statement. So an if, open parentheses, time value now. You can just copy what you did on the top.
Oh, wait. Greater than?
Yes, greater than or equal time. And this time we're gonna do 12.
0, 0.
Yeah, 0, 0, 0, 0. And time value now. Lesser than time, and then we just do 18. 0, 0, 0, 0. So if it's between 12, right, and 18, it's gonna say what? Good afternoon.
Yes.
Then you do a comma, space, close quotations, another comma.
Okay.
Then you just do quotations and then good morning.
The same thing?
No, just the good morning part. Just good morning.
On the second line?
Yeah, just like you were doing. Yeah.
Oh.
Quotations, good morning, comma, space.
Okay.
No, after morning, comma, space.
Morning, comma, space, end quotation?
End quotation. And then close parentheses.
Okay.
Then close parentheses again.
Okay.
And then now you're going to do an ampersand.
Oh, which one?
It's the commercial E, you know, the little E sign,
No.
like the I don't know how to explain this. It looks like an 8.
Where do I get it from? It's not on my keyboard.
It's
so where do I get it from?
above the 7 in my keyboard.
Oh, the and symbol.
Yeah. User. Just click that
Okay.
user. Close parentheses. Dot. Full name. Space. The and sign that you just used. space, quotation, then exclamation point, and close quotation. That's it. And look what it's saying right there on your screen.
Oh yeah, I see it.
So whenever you open it now, if you open it in the afternoon, it's gonna greet you with a good afternoon and it's gonna say your name. If it's at night, it's gonna say good night. And if it's in the morning, it's gonna say good morning.
So we're basically personalizing our experience with the app. I love that.
Exactly.
Ah, perfect. And look, we did it right at 9 minutes. How perfect.
I know.
Awesome. I'm loving this. It's getting better and better, especially because now like I'm gonna want people to be I'm excited for people to use this. So awesome. Thank you so much for again teaching me new skills and new things that I can do within Power Apps just to build a more personalized app. So thank you.
Yeah, no, it's great.
Awesome. All right. Well, join us next time for another Power Apps and a Snap. And thank you to John.
Thank you.
Bye.